again. This is the Varsovian position. Let's move on po to Varsovian mismo. The step pattern for Varsovian: slide, count 1, close 2, step 3, and point. That's Varsovian. Ulitin po natin. The step pattern: slide, that's count 1, close 2, point, step 3, and 2, 2, 3, that's point. Yan lang po ang Varsovian. We'll just have to repeat it right and left for how many times. Let's have Varsovian with music A, Maglaika. Point, and 1, 2, 3, point, and 1, 2, 3, point, and 1, 2, 3, point, stop. So that's Varsovian, step pattern number 1. Let's proceed to step pattern number 2, mazurka. Okay? Ang mazurka po is slide, count 1, cut 2, hop on 3. Up, balik. Balik kayong nahiwala ng kamay na. Ready? Let's have mazurka. 1, slide, cut on 2, hop on 3. Alright. Bilisan natin konti. 5,